welcome to your weekly 2 minutes in data and AI. No jargon, just data. This week we are diving into the concept of data pipeline. A data pipeline is basically a system that takes the data from where it comes from and moves it to where it's needed. Along the way, it can clean it, enrich it, transform it, or organize it. It moves the data through the stack and ultimately makes AI work. There are traditionally two ways to look at data pipelines: speed and transformation. Let's first have a look at speed. There are two types of data pipeline: batch and streaming. Batch data pipelines are collecting data and grouping it into chunks and sending those chunks on regular intervals. So as you can see, on one side it's slower, so it's meant for use cases that are not too time sensitive. On the other hand, it's much cheaper and easier to set up. And they are particularly used for use cases like building nightly sales reports or building some historical analysis of your data. Then you have the streaming data pipeline that consists in moving data instantly as soon as it's being received. So there is no time, no waiting time. So it's meant for time-sensitive use cases like fraud detection, IoT monitoring, live dashboards, or live recommendations. The second way of looking at data pipelines is through the way they transform it. Here there are two approaches represented by two acronyms: ETL and ELTs. So E stands for extract, T for transform, and L for load. ETLs consist in extracting your data, transforming it along the way, and loading it into the final destination. ELTs, on the other hand, they extract your data, load it into the final destination, and transform it directly from there in the final destination itself. With organizations shifting their operations more and more to real time and embracing AI technology that requires fresh data, we see more and more new streaming data pipelines. But legacy batch data pipelines are meant to remain, resulting in hybrid architectures. That's it for this week's 2 minutes in data and AI. I hope you now better understand the importance of data pipelines as part of your data and AI stack. Thanks for watching. See you next time.